Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create an account on Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Clash Royale's account, firstly go ahead and open your Clash Royale application. The home page of Clash Royale application will appear on the screen. Enter your age and click on tick mark. From the battlefield, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the page and click on settings. From the pop-up, tap on connect. On the next page, click on register and tap on continue. Enter your email address and confirm your email address by re-entering it, then tap on register. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter a verification code sent to your email address and tap on submit. On the next page, click on OK. Tap on continue once again. Choose your avatar and background color, then click on continue. This is how you can sign up for your Clash Royale's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.